Hello there. So if you were ever interested in getting free food on DoorDash, today I'm going to show you how to get the DoorDash mod. So let's open it up and we're going to proceed with this order here. So I have some items in my cart worth 25 bucks, right? So I go to continue and we go down here. We're going to buy the order. So you can see place order $25, but we have activate dev mode option. So I'm going to enable that and the order should become free. So let's see what happens. And it says dev mode activated. Your next order will be free. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. You can see bang, place order $0. Payment processing. Yo, did it go through? Your order payment processed successfully. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. It's super cool and it works for iOS and Android, guys. So if you're tired of paying for food on DoorDash, keep watching the video and I will show you guys how to get the DoorDash mod. So what we need to do, guys, in order to download this is just go to the website zoomods.com. So on this website, you're going to see a ton of different modded apps. It's kind of cool, but just go to the search bar, type in DoorDash. Actually, it's going to be on HexMods. Sorry about that. So this is the website right here, hexmods.com. So just come over here and type in DoorDash, and you're going to see DoorDash mod right here, and it says modded premium app. This has over 152,000 downloads. But strangely enough, I've never heard of it on YouTube. So I'm going to press the download button and the DoorDash mod will start to download. So there's the website, guys, hexmods.com. That's where you can get it. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load. And then we're going to be all set. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to bring us over here and you can see it says missing files. So basically what you got to do is download 2 of these apps and complete the instructions. So these are 100% for free from the official store. And what this will do is it will download the DoorDash mod onto your device. So as you can see, Family Island says reach level 11, so just press on it and it will bring you to the store and you download it and you reach level 11. So this is just some sort of game. So that's how to do it, guys, so be sure to try it out. They've also got TikTok, Merge Gardens, reach level 9. So just do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get the DoorDash mod for your device so you can get free food. It's really weird. But yeah, I mean, that actually works, guys. Like, if you're tired of paying, like, bro, you can literally get your order for free. I mean, that is so cool. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But if you're interested in getting free DoorDash food, be sure to install this mod, guys, because it actually works. And it's totally updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.